Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. It's been a while since I posted on this channel. We here in Ontario, Canada have just come out of a stay-at-home order, and now at Dollar Tree we are able to finally purchase non-essential items. So I did stop by one Dollar Tree and there were a few items that I picked up, and for that reason I decided to share this small haul with all of you. As usual, I will go through the items that I picked up one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I came across some wall art, which I was really excited to see more of this coming to our Dollar Trees here in Canada. So the first two that I picked up, I actually picked them up for the bathroom, and I really liked that it was in black and white, and then it had this gold trim in it as well, and then some of the words are written in the gold also. So this first one here says relax, and it's the canvas wall art. And the second one I picked up says renew. So I thought those were pretty nice. These next three, I picked them up for my daughter's room, and I just absolutely love this one here. Anything floral I've been loving, and how beautiful is this headpiece. So I don't know how I'm gonna arrange the three yet, but I just really loved them and thought that she would enjoy them in her room. So that's the first one. Just love this one. And then this little lamb, again with the florals on its head. So pretty. And then this little donkey, again with more florals. I just love these. I think they're so pretty. And then the last one that I picked up, which is a favorite of mine, says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13, with this greenery wreath around the writing. I just love this one. So just a mixture of things I picked up here. My first that I was super excited about is this pillow. And I saw these right after we had our non-essential items all shut down here in Ontario. And I thought these were super cute, and they came in different colors. I will insert a picture. So I went ahead and picked up a white one. I may need a few more. I just wanted to double check with the sizing for what I need them for, and they worked out great. So I was really happy to pick that up. So this was in the graduation department, but I picked it up actually for a winter DIY. So it says, hello, the world is calling. It's a globe, and then in the back it has a little kickstand so that you can sit it up like a picture. So I will be DIYing that. And then I love these little calendar sets that they have at Dollar Tree, and this was a new one that I hadn't seen, and I thought I'd put it over by my coffee station. It says running on grace and coffee. I was really excited to come across some galvanized signs and some wood signs as well. So this one here is both galvanized and like MDF board, and it says hello. I just love this one. And then this one is the wood word, which says family. And again, I have some pictures at the end of the video. There were a couple other wood words as well. And then out of the galvanized signs, they had these, which were probably my favorite, which is the mason jar. So I picked up a couple of those. And then they had the back of the truck, we say red truck or old-fashioned truck, farmhouse truck. So they had this one, and then they had the embossed metal truck. And they also had similar signs to these ones here, but they were, I believe they were flat. They weren't embossed. And they had like a black line that went all the way around the truck for detailing, but I liked the embossed ones better, so I picked these ones up. So I grabbed a couple of those as well. Well, I was happy to come across some galvanized signs and some wood signs as well. Well, actually the MDF pressboard signs, but this one here had a little bit of both. The galvanized and then the pressboard. So I thought that one was really nice. And it says hello. There were a couple other ones, I believe, but I do have some pictures that I'll insert either at the beginning of this video or at the end. And then I picked up this Woodward sign that says family. Again, there were a couple other ones, but I liked family the best. So it's really nice if you want to leave it just like this. It has the front that's finished where it looks like wood, and then the back is just the press board, MDF board. And then with the galvanized signs, I came across the mason jars, and then they have the nautical rope for the hanging, to hang the signs up. So the mason jar, I think, was probably my favorite. And then they had the old-fashioned truck. So they had the back of the truck. And these ones are nice because they're embossed. They also had two that were similar to these, but they were just flat metal. And then they had a like black line that went all the way around it. But I like these ones better. I like the emboss. So I picked up these ones instead. So there's this truck and then the back of the truck. And then the last thing that I have to share with you, which this item here was one of my favorites that I found at Dollar Tree. And these are the wooden bead garland. And there are 35 wood beads on here. And then there's a little bit of rope at the beginning of the garland and then at the end. So if you want to use it just as it is, maybe attach a tassel at both ends. Or if you want, you can get a bunch of them and then join them together to make one long wooden bead garland. So I was super excited to find these. They had the round beads, which I prefer, and then they also had square ones as well, but I just picked up the round ones. And then I found 4 of these photo frames, and I love these. They are 4x6 and they are wooden, and I just think they are super cute. I think this would even look nice on a mantle to have these frames set up with pictures inside, and then just to make a garland underneath. And then the frames on the back also have the little stand so they can stand up, which is super cute. Or they also have the hanging hardware if you prefer to hang it up instead. And that will do it for this small, quick Dollar Tree haul. I hope everyone is doing great. I'm hoping to be able to do some more DIYs very soon. I thought I'd have more time to get some things done, but I wanted to do some cleaning, organizing, because I have things all over the place. I really didn't even know what I had. So I've done that and it feels much better. So hopefully I will be getting some DIYs out very soon. So stay tuned for those. Well guys, if you enjoyed this quick haul, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.